Are you guys recording? Let's take a look. Okay, me and Adam are at the junkyard. He's looking at AC stuff for his car and not helping me over here. I'm just kidding. We are pulling a motor for the neighbor's Camry. This one looks okay. Some of the hard stuff has already been done. The exhaust is out of here. I don't have to worry about that. But I want to get the side cover off and actually rotate it around and make sure it spins freely and it's not messed up, and hopefully feels like it has decent compression. So let's see. We need this guy. Batteries are freshly topped off.
Yeah, I'm grabbing a harness.
Oh yeah?
That's gonna make my AC possible. Cause it connects that one connector up by the fan or my radar sport. You remember that one stray one? You just plug into there and that's all the pieces we need.
Oh, there you go.
And then we're done.
And then someone's like, "You're not just getting distracted with Honda crap, are you?" No, I'm just kidding. You're like, "Hey, fuck off."
Yeah, actually I am. That felt pretty good, huh? You don't have any cutting devices in that bag, sir.
Nice. This is all easy to get to.
Yeah. Give her a...
This is gonna be so easy. I think we'll have his engine swapped out in an afternoon. Oh yeah, the EGR. We're taking all that off.
Well, we're not taking the intake, are we?
No, we're peeling the end. We're peeling all the stuff off. His wires are good, so we're gonna peel those off. All the accessories. We're basically just taking a block and a head, the valve cover. Looks like this one wasn't leaking oil. She feels pretty tight. Well, I think we could probably chance this one.
Okay. Sorry, I gotta get this.
You're like, why is it here? And it rotates pretty good. Feels like it's got good compression.
What's the transfer look like?
I don't know. I don't care. Actually, I don't think it had anything on it. I think because I just whipped the stick out. Yeah, it's got nothing on it. They had to drain it. They always have to drain it. But then there's like this cable that's like intertwined with the thing, and you're like, why? You gonna hand me the DeWalt there?
I'm gonna go grab that engine bumper.
Oh, someone had some fancy spark plugs in here. Pretty well wore. They smell fine. Adam's gonna wear the GoPro now. I'll trade you. Alright, you got Adam Camry. And everybody's like, "Oh, not that Packer."
Alright, fucking things. Here's why I hate these freaking things in the yard is they always fight you. Every time. Gonna fight me the whole fucking way. And that's the only place I could put those pins, and they're like,
I'll push.
already fell on my ass once. Dudes were like, that's funny. Okay. Fuck. God damn this thing.
Watch that hook behind you.
You mean that meat hook abortion behind me that's trying to kill me?
Oh, you had them going the wrong way there. Okay.
No, either way they're gonna fight me. Don't you remember the last time we had a round with one of these?
Oh yeah.
Motherfucker. The things we do.
I hope you guys stay recording. We're got everything disconnected here, and we're just getting ready to yank this motor out of here. Got people are like, hey, can we borrow this and that? And the whatchamado and stuff. The only problem we're having is this bracket right there is like wanting to bend. Bitch, get off of there. There, now we're not hung up on that. Wrong way. And we're still hung up on the transmission. I think it's the flex plate. Oh, it was just getting, I had to take it out at an angle. It was hung up on the transmission.
Best part of picking up.
Fucking asshole.
Alright, oh, here, hold it still. Hold it still. I'm gonna strip this manifold off of it.
Yeah. Oh, holy crap, tubes. We got a mess in the garage. We got two different motors here. We got, that's a B18 for something. You saw us pull that out of Acura Integra LS. And then we have a 2.2 Toyota motor for the neighbor's Camry. He blew his engine up, ran it out well. This one, unfortunately, on this first cylinder here, it has a blown rod. It's actually just missing the bearing, and it's not really too messed up. So we're just gonna do a light rebuild on this, try and get the crank polished, hone the cylinders out, and just do a light rebuild on it. Have the head and the block tanked and done up, and get that back together and throw it in the neighbor's car. But we scored. See this engine hoist we got here? We paid 50 bucks for that. Our friend was trying to get rid of it, so we got that for 50 bucks and it works. And then we got ourselves a brand spanking new engine stand. Brand new, never been used. Look, tubes, we have an engine on our engine stand. Yeah, that's
a thing.
That's cute.
It's because there's no bearing in there. It ate it for breakfast. We've already took the cap off to check that out. Oh, that's right. I forgot we don't have the crank pull in here. I was like, yeah, let's just rotate it. Yeah.
Well, let me get my phone and take a picture of that.
Oh yeah, this will clean up nice. The block's gonna clean up nicely. So our next step is we're gonna remove our pistons and our main caps out of here and get this crank out of here.
See the cylinder bores? They're okay. Thinking a nice little remachine will take that out. They're not super deep. They're real light. You can't even really hear it. I can't even really feel it. You can just see it more than anything. So
this gasket's just like.
So we're gonna take this in, have it machined. I think what we should do is have the crank and those two inspected. If those come out good, then we can proceed with getting everything else done.
Just have them do a valve cleanup on it. If it needs
Put new seals.
I don't know if it really needs valve stem seals, but maybe have them do it.
I don't know. While it's out, might not be a bad idea. We'll see how much all that costs, and of course, our neighbor is the one paying for this work to be done, so we need to run everything by him. I mean, it has to get done anyways, so.
Yeah. We're just seeing how deep into the rabbit hole he wants to go.
Yeah. Because I mean, worst case, we could put this engine right back together and just take it back and go get another one. Oh, we got thunder. Did you hear that little ripple at the end? All right, Tibbs.
Later.
Johnson out.
To hit like and subscribe.
Yep. Don't forget.
Your comments.
Hey.
Why do you want to get back here?
Comments and stuff, and the bell. Hit the bell. You want to do that. Anyways.
We're destroying it.
Anyways, enjoy the incoming thunderstorm.